Meanwhile, the Pag-ibig Fund will be deploying roving offices in areas affected by Super Typhoon Yolanda. This is to help affected members in their housing needs. This report.
With the national tragedy that happened in the country recently, Vice President Jejomar Binay called for unity among all to help the survivors and restore order in the affected areas. Housing Char VP Binay directed Pag-ibig Fund to put up roving offices in the provinces struck by Typhoon Yolanda.
Tulong ko kami sa lahat ng mga nasiraan ng bahay. Yun pong bakit di pa kami tapos nga ako dun sa Zamboanga. Pero yung sa Pag-ibig, yung moratorium sa payment, at saka yung mga Pag-ibig members, pwede ko kayong umutang na payable in 2 years.
After offering a prayer for the victims, the Vice President appealed to the private institutions to donate food, clothing, materials, medicine, and other basic needs for the survivors of the devastating typhoon.
Maraming first time yun. First time sa lakas ng bagyo. First time lang devastation. Talagang sabi nga ni doktora kaninang umaga, siguro ganyan yung panahon ng hapon yun. Dahil sa talagang wasak na wasak. Pero siguro dagdagan lang natin ang ating panalangin na sana makaahon tayo dito sa pangyayaring ito. At sana din matapos na ating paghihirap sa mga bagyong dumadating.
Even Senator Nancy Binay called to officials with regards to sending relief goods, water, food, electricity, and communications to Tacloban Leyte.
Siyempre ho, nakakalungkot kasi parang sunod-sunod ho yung na i-experience natin. Katulad nga ho ng sinabi ng ating Vice President Binay na yung Yolanda ho is a national tragedy. And I think it's also high time na i-review ho natin yung policy natin when it comes to disaster response.
Meanwhile, the National Housing Authority are ready to resell families displaced by that typhoon. They're also prepared to give out 10,000 pesos worth of materials to be used in fixing damaged houses. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.